Hi, good afternoon. Have a nice day because my mood very excellent. Today I want to give some information about live nature. At this place in my background you can see two waterfall and the waterfall coming to another river. In this place you can go with friends, with colleagues, with family. You can make a beautiful party. And I want add some about nature. Nature is a natural environment which surrounds, cares us and nourishes us every moment. It provides us a protective layer around us to prevent from the damage. We are not able to survive on the earth without nature, air, atmosphere, river, mountain, desert, and etc. Nature includes everything around us like plants, animals, river, forests, rain, light, birds, sea, thunders, weather, atmosphere, mountain, hills. Every form of nature is powerful. When we protect our beautiful nature and we get a wonderful nature. And finally, I want to say, if you can, at the beginning of the day, you can start with good things, and your day is very successfully and beautiful with mood. Thank you for attention. With you, Nick.
Dear pupils and hello all, how are you today? Have a nice day. First of all, I introduce myself. I'm going to introduce myself. My name is Abdurrahman and I'm 90 years old and I'm learning English now at the moment. And we are planning one project that is this project. We are hoping this project helps us to learn English. Our team is not very big, but we are developing. Our team is developing too, and now at the moment I'm standing near the lake. This lake is very beautiful. You can see, and if I tell you, learning English is very exciting, and English language is a world language. If you know English language, if you know this language, you can talk to many people all over the world, and you can make friends all over the world, and you can say more, and you can learn more language by learning English language. I suggest you to learn language and to watch our video. I hope you will join us, and we are developing by you joining us. See you again next time.
Hello everybody, this is our second video to be posted to you, special for you. As we know, languages play a very important role in our life and we're very happy. So now we are standing in nature. Beautiful nature is here. As you see, water, sun, bridge, everything is nice. And I hope that our project will develop it very soon. So now I want to tell you about the beautiful kind of places like the way we're standing now. So as you see, The river is here, the trees are here, and everything are in blossom. And now I really want you to observe us and to watch us.
We live on the most beautiful planet, Earth, which has very clean and attractive nature full of greenery. Nature is our best friend, which provides us all the resources to live here. It gives us water to drink, pure air to breathe, food to eat, land to stay, animals, plants for our other uses, etc. For our betterment, we should fully enjoy the nature without disturbing its ecological balance. We should care our nature, make it peaceful, keep it clean, and prevent it from the destruction so that we can enjoy our nature forever. Nature is the most precious gift given by the God to us to enjoy but not to harm.
Dear spectators, it's really great that you are here with us. So our second day has finished. We are very happy because you support us every day, because you encourage us every day. So our second time has come to the end.
In my opinion, our work was very successfully because our work was during 1 week plan. In next time, our third work is very also step by step, effectively. What do you think?
Yes, definitely. Of course, Nick. Actually, we are very happy because we have our spectators. So,
see you next time, dear ladies and gentlemen.
We also wanted to remind that next week we will go to historical places and you can get a very interesting information by Nick
and Sam.
Take care of yourself.
Goodbye.